In earlier video, we already learned about end-to-end milestone of all our technology which we are going to use. But before dive into the technical part, let's learn about the dataset first. Here you can see customer column or customer ID is the first column, which is the part of integer and character both. Next column or field, I would say gender, which is purely field. If you scroll down, you can see tenure is the column which is containing integer value only. When you scroll right to this part where we have another monthly charge which is in decimal format. Here you can see all decimal values are depicting here. But this table name is tele customer churn. Whenever I'm going to import or I'm going to perform join operation, so I'll be using another table as well. The table name is master customer data.csv. I'll upload these tables or CSV files on my GitHub profile. You can go back here and find all these videos and all these files and all these hands-on coding. Thank you.